Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting American muscle cars ever imagined, the legendary. This modern beast brings back the iconic Boss 429 name with aggressive styling, massive power, advanced technology, and the raw attitude that true Mustang fans love. If you enjoy powerful engines, bold designs, and classic American muscle, this is the car you don't want to miss. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future car reviews and automotive content. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 looks absolutely stunning from every angle. Ford has given this muscle car a more aggressive appearance with a wider stance, sharper LED headlights, larger front grille, and a sculpted hood featuring massive air vents that instantly show its performance DNA. The front splitter and aerodynamic body lines improve airflow while giving the car a race-inspired personality. Around the sides, the muscular fenders, lightweight alloy wheels, and sporty side skirts create a bold street presence. At the rear, the quad exhaust setup, modern LED taillights, and large rear diffuser complete the high-performance look. The classic Boss 429 badging adds a nostalgic touch while keeping the car modern and futuristic at the same time. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is expected to feature a supercharged V8 engine delivering breathtaking performance. Rumors suggest more than 800 horsepower, making this one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. The acceleration is absolutely insane, with a possible 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 4 seconds. Drivers can choose between a high-performance manual transmission for pure driving excitement or an advanced automatic gearbox for faster shifting and daily comfort. The suspension has been upgraded for better cornering stability, while the performance brakes provide incredible stopping power. Whether on the highway or the racetrack, this Mustang delivers thrilling speed, loud exhaust notes, and unforgettable driving emotions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mustang Boss 429 combines luxury with modern technology. The interior features premium leather seats with sporty stitching, carbon fiber trim pieces, and customizable ambient lighting. The driver-focused cockpit includes a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, navigation, wireless charging, and premium audio options. The sports seats provide excellent comfort and support during high-speed driving. Ford has also improved cabin materials, making the interior feel more premium than previous Mustang generations. Despite being a high-performance muscle car, the cabin remains practical enough for daily driving with decent storage space and modern convenience features. Safety is also a major focus in the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. The car is expected to include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. High-strength construction and advanced airbags improve passenger protection while modern traction and stability control systems help drivers maintain control during aggressive driving. Ford is combining classic muscle car excitement with modern safety technology to create a more complete driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 will likely sit at the top of the Mustang lineup. Experts expect the starting price to begin around $85,000, while fully loaded performance versions could easily cross the $100,000 mark depending on options and customization packages. Although expensive, this car offers exclusivity, extreme performance, and legendary Mustang heritage that many enthusiasts will happily pay for. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is more than just a car. It's a statement of power, speed, and American muscle heritage. With its aggressive styling, supercharged V8 performance, modern technology, luxurious interior, and advanced safety features, this Mustang could become one of the most iconic performance cars of the decade. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or simply love high-performance vehicles, the Boss 429 delivers excitement in every possible way. Thanks for watching today's review. Tell me in the comments what you think about the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 and whether you would choose this muscle car over its rivals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing car reviews, future concept vehicles, luxury cars, SUVs, and performance machines from around the world. See you in the next video.